Hi there, hardworking peeps. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss about the easy steps on how you can create your PayPal account. If you're new to our channel, please consider subscribing, and you can also hit the bell icon or the notification bell for you to be updated once we upload new videos. So first you need to go to paypal.com and then you will be routed to their page. You just need to hit on sign up. And then you will be asked to choose what type of account. Then you can use your personal account, and it will ask you to identify your classification. You can choose freelancer and then hit on next. So there you will need to fill out the personal information. Of course, your first name, your middle name, your last name, your email address, and you also need to create your account password. Then after filling out the information, you just need to hit on next. Then you will be routed to creating your account now with PayPal. So again, you just need to fill out some sort of needed information like your birthday, your nationality, your tax identification number or driver's license, and of course address, city, municipality, zip code, and your mobile number. And then once you have filled out the information needed, you will need to tick on the box to agree with their terms in creating your account. And you can also see there an option to activate one touch. So I'd prefer not to tick on that. And then after that, you just need to click on agree, and then you will be routed to the next step. So there you go. You have successfully created your PayPal account. So you can see their option to go shopping, send payments. So now let's try to navigate on the website for PayPal since we have created an account already. So there you have an option to send payment to another account holder. Say for example, you're gonna transfer funds to a different account. You can just use their email address in order to transfer the funds. Then you can check more information from the page, like you can request for money. You can also link your credit card. You can confirm your phone number to make it easier to recover your password, and confirm your email address as well. So on that dashboard or summary tab, you will see your balance. You can also click on settings from the top right corner of the page to check on your personal information. If you need to update some of your information, you can do that as well on the page. So guys, basically those are the easy steps on how you can create your PayPal account. If you don't have any PayPal account yet, you can feel free in doing so. There will be no fees at all in creating your account here with PayPal. So you can start creating your account now. That will be our video for today, hardworking peeps. Thank you so much for staying tuned to our YouTube channel. And if you need any other information, you can visit our channel for more home-based jobs. And that will be all for today. Have a great day. Bye.